रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। We are now in page number 89 and we know what has just passed by, that Maina Devi, the mother of Parvati, naturally she is a little troubled about the matrimony of Parvati and the prophecy of Naradji. So she is worried and she has called her husband and she is speaking, said, why don't you make some arrangement such that our honor is kept. Naturally in those tradition is that a young girl has to be given in marriage at the earliest so that the tradition continues. And not only that, when a Kanya is married, the next generation also continues through that one. So that intention, she is worried and she has gone and told her husband. As kahi pari charan dhari sisa, bole sahit saneha girisa, baru pavak pragatai sasimahi, नारद बचन अन्यथा नाही. So Maina Devi has gone to Parvataraj Himavan and prostrated before him and said, please do something in such a manner that our honor of the family is upheld and Parvati also gets a very good bridegroom. So bole sahita saneh girisa, asakahi pari charan dhari sisa, bole sahita saneh girisa. And then Parvataraj Himavan is telling Maina Devi, it's quite possible that the moon may have fire. It's quite possible that one can see fire on the moon, but the words of Narada will never go wrong. It will always be true only. He is a great Maharshi. इस प्रकार कहकर मैना पति के चरणों पे मस्तक रखकर गिर पड़ी. तब हिमवान ने प्रेम से कहा, चाहे चंद्रमा में अग्नि प्रकट हो जाए पर नारद जी के वचन झूठे नहीं हो सकते. प्रिया सोच परिहरहु, प्रिया सोच परिहरहु सब, सुमिरहु श्री भगवान. पार्वती ही निरमयौ जेहि, सोई करिहि कल्याण. So very, very lovingly Parvataraja is talking to Maina Devi. Oh dear one, leave all worries and then just pray to Paramatma. That Paramatma who has made Parvati and given Parvati to us, definitely he will find a way for her. Don't worry about that one. हे प्रिये, सब सोच छोड़कर श्री भगवान का स्मरण करो. जिन्होंने पार्वती को रचा है वे ही कल्याण करेंगे, इसमें कोई शंका मत करो. Don't have any doubt about it. अब जो तुम ही सुता परने हो, तो अस जाई सिखावन देहु. करे सो तपु जहि मिलहि महेशु, आन उपाय न मिटिहि कलेसु. Now let us do something practical. Let us do something practical, absolutely practical. What did Narad ji say? That he says that this is the characteristics of the bridegroom which he is going to get, and the best bridegroom for her would be naturally with the same qualities described. It's only Shiva. So now practically what should we do? No, we should try to attain Shiva now, because Shiva is absolutely okay in all respects. So why not do what we should do? So she says, go and talk to Parvati and tell her to perform tapasya as has been advised in such a manner that she should get Shiva. Go and advise the daughter. So now mother is going to go there. अब यदि तुम्हें कन्या पर प्रेम है तो जाकर उसे यह शिक्षा दो कि वह ऐसा तप करे जिससे शिव जी मिल जाए. दूसरे उपाय से यह क्लेश नहीं मिटेगा. देयर इज नो अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव आल्सो. सो प्रैक्टिकली गो एंड आस्क हर टू डू तपस्या. नारद बचन सगर्भ सहेतु सुंदर सब गुण निधि वृष केतु अस विचार तुम तजहु असंका सब ही भांति संकरु अकलंका. नारद वचन सगर्भ सहेतु. Narad ji's vachan, it is full of hidden meaning, and it has got full cause also. It is full of meaning and full of cause also. And Sundar Sabaguna Nidhi Vrishaketu, and Vrishaketu or Paramatma Shiva is full of good qualities. Asavicharitumutajahu asanka. Keeping this in mind, leave all the doubts, completely shed all the doubts. Sabahi bhati sankaru akalanka. Shankar is in no way in any manner defective. Don't worry, don't have that thought that Shankar has got that defect. Don't keep it in your mind. He is absolutely free from any defect. नारद जी के वचन रहस्य युक्त और सकारण हैं और शिव जी समस्त सुंदर गुणों के भंडार हैं. यह विचार कर तुम मिथ्या संदेह को छोड़ दो. शिव जी सभी तरह से निष्कलंक हैं. वो बिल्कुल कलंक रहित है. He is free from blemish. सुनिपति बचन हर्ष मन माही गई तुरत उठी गिरिजा पाही. उमहि बिलो की नयन भरे बारी सहित स्नेह गोद बैठारी. So now mother is going absolutely full of motherly love, filled with motherly love. She is going there. Sunipati vachan harashi manmai. A little amount of solace she has got now. When that Himavan is also a very, very knowledgeable person, wise person. He is telling me that Shankar's qualities are all absolutely okay. So she feels a little solace. So immediately she went to where Girija was there, where Parvati was there. And the moment she saw Parvati, she couldn't control her tears. She wept immediately, she shed tears. Her eyes are full of tears. Then she took her with all love and affection, placed her on her lap. Barahi bar leti urlai Gad gad kanthan kachu kahi jai Jagat matu sarvagya bhavani Matu sukhad boli mrudubani. She went and then, as when she is seated on the lap, nicely, just like a mother would fondle the child, she is embracing Parvati again and again and again. And then she is not able to speak anything at all. Mother, Maina, is not able to speak because she is in a mixed state of affairs. Her mind is in a mixed state of. She does not understand Narad's vachan. What is going to attain Shiva also is not so easy. Naturally, she is very much worried. But Parvati is not an ordinary child. She is Jagat Matu Sarvajna Bhavani. She is already completely of Shiva. She is already part of Shiva only in her mind. So she is now going to give beautiful joy to her mother with her beautiful words. Sunahi matu mein dikha asa Sapan sunavahu tohi Sundara gaura subiprabara अस उपदेसे मोहि. Oh mother, please listen to me now. I had a dream yesterday, and in that dream there came a very, very fair colored Brahman, a very, very learned Brahman has come in the dream, and he has given me this upadesh. He has given me this counsel. He has given me this advice. I will tell you what it is. Karahi jayat pusail kumari, नारद कहा सो सत्य विचारी. मातु पिता ही पुण्य मत भावा, तपु सुख प्रद दुख दोष नसावा. Karahi Jai Tapu Saila Kumari. See, what a nice name, no? Saila Kumari. Girija, Saila Kumari. So beautiful names of Parvati, Bhavani, Saila Kumari. The daughter of the mountain. Saila means Shaila is mountain, Kumari is daughter. Oh Shaila Kumari, go and perform tapasya. Narad's words can never be untrue. And definitely if you go and do tapasya, it will also appeal to your father and mother also. Tapu sukha prada dukha dosha nasava, and tapasya will be very, very easy for you, and it will take out all defects. If at all there are anything which is an obstacle for you to get Shiva, all of them will be wiped away. हे पार्वती, नारद जी ने जो कहा है उसे सत्य समझकर तू जाकर तप कर. फिर यह बात तेरे माता पिता को भी अच्छी लगी है. तप सुख देने वाला है और दुख दोष को नाश करने वाला है. जाके तपस्या कर. तप बल रचई प्रपंच विधाता, तप बल विष्णु सकल जगत्राता. तप बल शंभु करहि संघारा, तप बल शेषु धरई मही भारा. In this world, the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, are carrying out their activities only because of tapasya. Right at the beginning, Brahma has done tapasya, Narayana has done tapasya, Shiva also, he also has done tapasya, a lot of tapasya, and including Shesh Nag, that is, the one who is holding the earth on its head. He has also done tapasya. Therefore, all the people have achieved what they have achieving or what they are doing only because of tapasya. Tapabala rachi prapanch vidhata. Vidhata Brahma has created the world by tapasya. Tapabala Vishnu sakala jagatrata. Only by tapasya Vishnu is able to protect the world. Tapabala Sambhu karahi sanghara. Only by tapasya Shiva is able to dissolve this world. Tapabala seshu dharai mahibhara. Mahibhar means the weight of the world is held by Seshnag only because of tapasya. तप आधार सब सृष्टि भवानी, करहि जाय तपु अस जिय जानी. सुनत बचन बिसमित महतारी, सपन सुनायो गिरि हकारी. तपस्या के आधार पर ही, on the basis of tapasya or through tapasya only, this entire creation of the world has happened. So don't worry at all, you also go and perform tapasya. So her hearing this dream, what Parvati has just now narrated to Maina, her mother, both father and mother has felt very, very happy by hearing this dream. It's all for a very, very auspicious dream you have had. So she also went and with surprise she went and told the same dream to Giriraj. मातु पिता ही बहु विधि समुझाई, चली उमा तप हित हर्षाई. प्रिय परिवार पितार माता, विकल मुख आवन बाता। मातु पिता ही बहुविधि समझाई, उल्टा हो रहा है, एवरीथिंग इज उल्टा now. Daughter is going and counseling father and mother. Daughter, that too of a very tender age daughter, she is going and counseling father and mother. Oh, father and mother, don't worry about anything like this. She very very happily said, I am going to now perform tapasya, give me ashis. Priya parivar, pita or mata, all the people of the family and father and mother, they don't have any words to say now. They don't have any words at all. They are speechless at the decision of Parvati. Ved Siramuni Ayatab Sabhi kaha samujhai Parvati mahima sunat रहे प्रबोध ही पाई. And at the right time when all these people were wondering what to do, what to say, then a beautiful, very tapasvi rishi comes there. His name is Veda Shira Rishi. Veda Shira Rishi comes there, and then he explains to everybody whatever decision Parvati has taken is the right decision. She is not an ordinary soul. Don't take her for an ordinary soul. She is a very powerful being. So Parvati ji ki mahima sunkar sabko samadhan ho gaya. All of them understood that Parvati is not an ordinary person. So everybody was now sort of consoled. Urdhari Uma Pranapati Charana Jai Bipin Lagi Tapu Karna Ati sukumar na tanu tap jogu Pati pad sumirita jevu sabu bhogu. Now the matter is resolved. Uma is now going to perform tapasya. Urdhari Uma Pranapati Charana. She completely occupies her mind and heart only with Shiva, and then she goes to the forest. Jai Vipin Lagi Tapu Karna. She is learned. She knows how to perform tapasya also. She knows what leaves should be eaten. She knows what all rules and regulations she has to maintain for the tapasya. So she has gone to the forest. But body is definitely very tender body. So although the body is very tender, but she completely gives up all sorts of any sort of pleasure. She gives up and then she starts performing tapasya. Hari Om Tat Sat.